My name's Dr Natalie Roach. I'm the undergraduate programme leader for psychology and we have the BSc Psychology and the BSc with Foundation Year route as well.
I'm Kate McDonald, I'm 36, a mature student and I am on my last year of my psychology degree. I chose to study at Wrexham. I just liked the atmosphere as soon as I came in. I was really nervous, I didn't have a lot of confidence. Came to the university on an open day and fell in love with it straight away. The lecturers were really easy to talk to, they were able to answer all my questions on the day and you could just feel the atmosphere was really welcoming and friendly, so for me that was what I wanted. We don't just have lectures, so we have practicals mixed into our sessions as well.
So we are an accredited programme, so we are accredited by the BPS Association and that means that we cover all the core areas of the BPS. So these include cognitive, developmental, social, biological and individual differences. But we also have research elements which include the final year dissertation project.
We have lecturers with real world experience within psychology, so that's really helpful and it makes it a lot more interesting to hear people's personal experiences. I've chopped and changed what I've thought I'm going to specialise in, but because we are very lucky here and the lecturers we have are so enthusiastic and committed to us, they go out and find opportunities for us to try. One of our lecturers was able to get myself and another student real world experience for a company locally to here, and it was amazing. You know, our confidence went through the roof. We were able to apply the skills we've been taught in lectures. So for us, you know, we were able to see whether it was something we wanted to do. I would definitely say you need to come and study here. You would feel really comfortable, you'd feel really welcome. It's such a diverse university and it's a really good location, you know, for the Northwest. It's easy access. And again, you know, the campus, it isn't really intimidating, it's friendly, it's welcoming. And I think for anybody, especially maybe mature students as well, that are feeling really unsure about coming back to full-time education, I would say this is a place for you. And all of us at first were nervous and we've got a completely different outlook. And that's down to the staff, definitely.